Choc Factory auditions tomorrow, and I literally asked Wayne, did we have tablecloths for the tables? So when we set up the breakfast and drinks, we have something to place them on. So he goes, yeah, we have a bunch. So he goes, gets them from the garage, and they're, what are they?
Tissue paper.
Tissue paper. So we went to start our night out late, and Party City is closed. And now we went to this other party store, and then now we're gonna go check out Big Lots. We just need just a simple tablecloth, nothing extreme. And then we're gonna just show you guys how we set up.
Get everything right the night before, because we'll be tired in the morning.
So we're sitting here talking about our budget because we like to just go in places and just spend. I want to just include y'all with everything that we do. Because we literally will go into a store, we'll go down every aisle, and whatever we like, we'll just pick it up. Like, we don't even need that, So it's a morning shoot, well, it's a morning day, so we need to get like breakfast stuff like bagels, donuts, coffee.
So basically little breakfast snacks.
Yeah.
That you grab, and like fruit, like you said.
And then we have water at the compound.
Whatever they don't use, we can just take back home.
All right, I think we got it, and we'll see you in Big Lots. So we have a lot of inventory.
So we have to do
that.
everything ourselves.
So for the girls that'll be coming to the auditions tomorrow, we're gonna just give them some free Choc stuff. We're gonna give them a headband and 2 lip liners in the shade brown and pink. Let's get it going. So 15 girls confirmed. Gotta make 15 bags. The hustle never stops. We had a quick intermission.
So, I think you can ask about talents and stuff.
Okay.
And then after that, I can describe the brand. Or you want to describe it?
No, you can.
We can be one mic over here that we pass around when it's time, and one mic on the girls. Oh, okay. So, perfect. I think that was it for now. Italy and Marty. You got their
Do
questions?
you guys have any questions?
Oh, they might have some. No, I think we're good. Okay, great. We're gonna take our digitals. So now we gotta fill up how things gonna go. How you gonna say it?
Alrighty, then. Good morning. It's 9:14, I think, and I'm so tired. I have to be at the compound at 10. I'm about to get up and get myself together. Wayne is in the shower right now. He's getting ready. I gotta take my CMOS, take my immunity shot, take my blood pressure, make my tea. So I need to get up and get it together. So I guess I'll see you guys at the auditions. So I'm Princessbroadus. I'm the CEO of Choc Factory. Then I have Wayne, who is also the CEO and creative director. So he basically brings our vision to life and make everything make sense. Then we have Marty, who is our makeup artist. She makes you look bomb.
Yeah, no, I see.
I just can't even explain it. And she's super hands-on with the products that we pick. I mean, she's more than a makeup artist. And then we have Italy, who is our social media manager and also our creative director. So she'll be super hands-on with the models and just make you feel beautiful and just catch a vibe. So that's just a little bit about us, and we want to know more about you. So if you can tell us just...
I'm Alexis.
Yeah, I'm Chantel. So my name is Amira.
My name is Sky.
Jamisa Nandi.
I'm here for dental school. I'm gonna be a dentist in about 3 more years.
I'm also a creative and art director as well. I used to be in the Air Force.
I'm a model. I have a magazine with my clothing brand. I'm in school to be an esthetician, and I actually graduate today. I'm 25. I have 2 twin boys. They're 6. Recently, I just actually got accepted into USC to do a master's.
To empower individuals to confidently embrace and showcase their unique beauty. And our goal is to empower individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery and realize their true beauty and attain their best selves and embrace their individuality. So we want to be real inclusive and just basically really real. Like, you don't have to be a certain type of girl to fit in. Like, you can be you, and that's exactly what we want. Like, and when we say that, we mean that. So how do you see yourself fitting into the Choc brand of, inclusivity and just in the world we live in now?
I have a nickname for myself, Natural Nene. I love embracing as much naturalness of me that I can, and helping others to do so as well.
We all have our moments where we feel like, we care about what people say, but I'm kind of trying to I'm in my element now where I'm like, who cares what people think, just be you, be yourself, and come as you are,
Just putting myself out there and coming to like casting calls like this and stuff is representing my Afro-Latina community as well as representing the short girl community.
I definitely see myself fitting just being a dark-skinned woman, and sometimes like we could be misrepresented in like the modeling. We definitely had made like really long strides, and there has been more representation, but that's always important. Body inclusivity.
I feel like people should be able to be confident to feel beautiful in the skin that they're already in and as who they are without having to fit into some mold that someone's already preset. And everyone should kind of feel free to be who they are and be comfortable that way.
So I just value like the mission statement in general, like just like to be yourself and to showcase your beauty no matter like your background or how you look. So I really feel like I align with those values just because like sometimes I'm not the most secure of myself, but I know that inside that, we're beautiful. So at the end of the day, it's not even what's outside, it's what's inside. And I feel like the brand really like hits on that, like no matter your background or like who you are, like you guys kind of are like inclusive, like, everybody, all the products are for everybody. So I just really like how the company values that.
This is our brand, right? Like, even for me, like, I don't see women like me. I don't see, you know what I mean? Like, I can't relate to a lot of these girls because I feel like, for me, I always say I'm not your average beauty standard, right? But I feel like we're trying to make that change to where anybody feel like I'm the bomb and you can't tell me nothing, Like, I've had moments where I wanted to get my body done and do this and do that, but it's like, you got the body, you just got to work out and make it make sense, So this is our goal. Really want you to be a part of it. I want to shine a light on everybody, and the people that really need it. And I think you just said everything that we trying to accomplish.
For makeup, like, are you comfortable with doing like getting any type of like makeup done on you? Are you comfortable with that?
I never really did wear makeup like that, but I recently started to get into doing my own makeup.
Okay, good.
Which is exciting. So yeah, I always love getting glammed up and stuff.
I love getting my makeup done. And I have like a personal makeup artist myself, so like I feel like it's like cool to have a personal makeup artist. So I love getting my makeup done. I don't feel bad about it at all.
I don't usually wear like that much makeup, so basically if somebody was to do something, it would be more than what I ever did, so I would think like, oh, this is so cool.
Okay, so you'd be okay with that?
Yeah, I'd be fine.
Okay, great. Do you have like any social media experience, such as, Instagram, TikTok?
I am on Instagram pretty often. I've been trying to build it up. So last year I did grow more than half. I've like doubled my following on Instagram, and then with TikTok I have like 20K followers now.
Major was communication, so I did do a lot of like marketing. I learned a lot of skills throughout school, so I do have like experience in public speaking and creating content.
Well, I'm on TikTok a lot. Like I do little content here and there, little funny stuff.
Yeah, so actually I'm also in the marketing advertising world right now. So I'm a junior art director for a marketing agency. So I do a lot of content creation for them, but I'm also trying to do more content creation for me. So yeah, totally, that's definitely in the realm.
I wouldn't call myself like an influencer. I have like under 10K, but no, I definitely do sometimes work with brands and just help promote,
You just said I only have a certain amount of followers, under 10K. Like, that's perfectly fine. We want girls like that. We don't want the girls with the 2 million and we got to talk to their agent and we got to pay them $5 to come do this. No, we want real normal girls. That's our goal.
And then also, I wanted to ask you, what attracted you to our brand?
I love that your brand is very diverse and, and just taking people for who they are. And I think
that's what I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to be, I'm not trying to just do what everybody else is doing. You gotta do you.
I don't see no, you don't see, oh, you gotta flick this in or hot, no. And I love that she just lets you be you.
Yes.
And don't nobody do that on Instagram or nowhere.
Yeah. Obviously, I'm chocolate, so, and I think that, Corey, you really inspired me, for sure, for the longest, Even seriously, your dad's show, growing up, I was a kid, I was like, she's really talented, she's talented. She could sing and she's tapping into all the avenues that she wants to do, you know what I mean? And
when people say that stuff, that mean a lot to me because every day I'm battling, right? Every day I'm waking up trying to convince myself, you beautiful, you this, you got it going, And to the world, it's I'm this girl that got it going on, right? I got it figured out. I'm okay, I'm this, I'm that. But every day it's a fight for me. So stuff like that keep me going. Like I say all the time, I live for the next person. Right? I'm not even living for myself right now. I'm living for the next person because it's people seeing that, okay, she got it, she can do it. And I think that's so important, right? Even with us being sick, there's so many sick people in this world, right? And it's how can we make that, like you said, beauty, right? When you think of sick, you're oh, I'm sick. When that's beautiful because we have a story. You know what I mean? We're relevant, people want to hear that.
We're still here.
You know what I mean? We're still here. We're still able to tell our story. So don't be ashamed of being sick. Embrace that.
What are some flaws or some insecurities that you had growing up that you now can see as beauty?
Just being tall, the tallest one out of everyone, that was just a big thing for me. And I was a shy kid, so I was just more so in my box and in my space. But as I got older and dance really helped bring out that personality in me. And
I was always more curvy than the girls around me. My hair was different, etc., etc. So there was a time in me where I did my best to fit in. I remember always trying to stuff myself in hip huggers and thought my backside was too large because you couldn't fit in the same type of pants, So going through and just being comfortable in your own skin, I believe looks like no waist trainers, no bras, makeup when you don't need it.
With society, we feel like we have to have a certain amount of followers, a certain amount of likes to be known, to be relevant, to be accepted. And we just trying to change the game, We want to shine light on women like you, you know what I mean? We all beautiful in our own ways, you know what I mean? And so that's our vibe, that's our goal, and that's what we going for. So we're going to have lots of opportunities, You're not just going to be behind the camera all the time and holding our product and wearing our product, We're going to put y'all in certain rooms and throw events and, just do stuff for y'all, because we all a family and we all got to grow together.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And then we have a gift for you from the Choc Factory. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Ooh.